guys! Janta Perla makes vlog. Palermo garlic sea salt with ginger. Yan guys ang gitimpla namin sa aming steak. Tenderloin, steak, at iba pang mga lutuin. Palermo garlic sea salt ginger. Masarap siya guys. Halo siya guys, halo. Palermo garlic sea salt with gingers. Malinamnam, masarap. Yung taper lang, next vlog. God bless you.